Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So first of all, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas. So today I have created this look for Christmas, obviously. So I have paired this eye makeup look with a red lip. Now if you want, you can pair this eye makeup with a nude lip. It will look really nice, but I wanted something more Christmassy, more festive, and honestly I wanted to do a red lip, hence मैंने red lipstick apply की है. And I really hope that you guys will like this makeup, and if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I don't know what makeup I'm doing today. I'm just going to go with the flow, but before starting with the makeup, I just want to quickly show you guys my nails. I am absolutely loving my nails. Obviously मैंने Christmas के लिए ये nails करवाए हैं, and now let's get started with the makeup. So I think I will actually start with my skin only. So first I am going to prime my skin. So first I'm going to go in with BECCA's Backlight Priming Filter. Okay, now next up I'm going to take Benefit's the POREFESSIONAL primer, and I'm going to apply this primer just around my nose and slightly on my chin. And I also applied on my nose as well. So now for my foundation, I'm going to apply Maybelline's Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm going to mix these two shades, 220 Natural Beige and 310 Sun Beige. I have reviewed this foundation on my channel, guys, so I will link it in the description box. So if you guys are interested in knowing my thoughts on this foundation, then please do check it out. So I've taken 2 pumps of 310 Sun Beige, and I'm going to take 1 pump of 220 Natural Beige. So to conceal and brighten my under eyes, I am going to go in with Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. And I'm also going to apply it around my nostril. Now let's blend this concealer. So अभी के लिए इतना कंसीलर काफ़ी है. Maybe once I'm done with my eye makeup and everything, थोड़ा सा और मैं कंसीलर फिर बाद में लगाऊंगी. And now I'm going to set this concealer with Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It's the first time actually I'm using this powder, so let's see how I feel. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my NYX HYDRA Touch Powder. This one is in the shade Golden. Alright, so for my bronzer and blusher today, I am using Face's ULTIME Pro Face Palette. So first I'm going to go in with the bronzer. Initially I was going to skip the bronzer, but then I changed my mind and I was like, you know what, let me apply the bronzer. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this blusher. And I'm going to apply it with the same Real Techniques brush. This one is the blush brush. So I'm not going to apply the highlighter right now. I'm going to apply it later on. So I'm just going to quickly finish my brows and finish this side of my eye makeup, and I'll be right back. So I'm done with the left side of my eye makeup, guys, and now let's quickly finish the right side of my eye makeup. And I've already primed my eyelid with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. So as an eyeshadow today, I'm going to apply my bronzer और मैं faces का Ultime Pro palette ही use करूँ, ये वाला bronzer ही use करूँ उस palette में से. So I'm going to apply this bronzer with this Zoeva's 228 crease brush. It's a nice fluffy blending brush. I'm going to apply it all over my lid, and I'm going to take this bronzer up till my brow bone. I know, guys, this eye makeup is extremely simple, but believe me, anyone, like anybody, can do this eye makeup. यहाँ पे नहीं लगाया था मैंने. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Dose of Color Friendcation palette, and I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow, which is called Just a Kiss. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow as an eyeliner. This is basically going to act as a base for the glitter eyeliner that I'm going to apply after this eyeshadow. So for now, this much is enough. And now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Distortion. So I'm going to apply this eyeliner on top of this eyeshadow. And now on my waterline, I'm going to go in with NYX's Slide On pencil in the shade Sunrise Blue. And now for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the same Dose of Colors Friendcation eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow, which is called A Moment. So now I don't want this blue to be like this strong blue. So on top of this eyeshadow, I'm going to apply Just a Kiss eyeshadow, okay? Just a little bit, क्योंकि जब मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया तो पूरा blue almost अजीब ही लग रहा था, तो बहुत कम ही लगाना है. And now I'm going to coat my lashes with Clinique's High Impact Waterproof Mascara. So I'm just letting my mascara dry, and till then I'm just going to clean my under eyes. I'm going to apply some concealer, set my concealer, and then apply my highlighter. Okay, so for my highlighter today, I'm going to apply OFRA's highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. It's a really pretty highlighter. Okay, so I am done applying my false eyelashes and I'm wearing PAC's eyelashes in number 53. I absolutely love these eyelashes. And now let's quickly apply the lip color. So first I'm going to outline my lips with ColourPop's Lippy pencil in the shade Bossy. Please ignore my pencil क्योंकि थोड़ा dirty हो चुका है. It's a beautiful bright red lip pencil. And now I'm going to fill in my lips with NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Don't Stop. It's such a stunning red color, guys. It's really beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to fill in my lips with this lip color. And now I'm going to set my makeup with Skindinivia's the Makeup Finishing Spray. And next I'm going to spray some Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist.